Plant FAQs. Nepenthes Bloody Mary. Hi everyone, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of carnivorous plants with a focus on the stunning Nepenthes Bloody Mary. This vibrant hybrid boasts not only a mesmerizing appearance, but is also known for its relative ease of care. So, whether you're a seasoned carnivorous plant enthusiast or a curious newbie, this FAQ is for you. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. What is a Nepenthes Bloody Mary? The Nepenthes Bloody Mary is a captivating hybrid, a cross between Nepenthes spectabilis and Nepenthes hamata. It inherits the best traits from both parents, resulting in a compact plant with deep red, urn-shaped pitchers and contrasting dark green foliage. These unique pitchers are the plant's claim to fame. They act as carnivorous traps, luring, capturing, and digesting unsuspecting insects. Why is the Nepenthes Bloody Mary popular? The Nepenthes Bloody Mary enjoys immense popularity for several reasons. Visual appeal. Its striking red pitchers are a conversation starter. Unlike some Nepenthes that grow leggy and sprawling, the Bloody Mary maintains a compact form, making it ideal for terrariums or smaller growing spaces. Relative ease of care. Compared to some more finicky Nepenthes varieties, the Bloody Mary is considered less demanding. It thrives in high humidity and requires consistently moist, but not soggy, soil. Fast-growing. This Nepenthes is a relatively quick grower, which is a joy for collectors who want to witness the development of their plant. How does the Nepenthes Bloody Mary care differ from other Nepenthes species? While most Nepenthes share core needs like high humidity and well-draining soil, there can be variations in light requirements and temperature tolerance. Here's a quick comparison. Light. The Bloody Mary prefers bright, indirect light. Some Nepenthes, like Nepenthes ventricosa, can tolerate lower light conditions. Temperature. The Bloody Mary thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 29 degrees Celsius. Nepenthes highland species, like Nepenthes diatas, prefer cooler environments. Tip. When choosing a Nepenthes, research its specific needs to ensure you can provide the optimal environment. How do I care for my Nepenthes Bloody Mary? Here's a breakdown of the essentials for happy Bloody Mary. Watering. Use distilled water, rainwater, or reverse osmosis water to avoid mineral buildup. Aim for consistently moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Humidity. Maintain high humidity levels, 70 to 80%, by placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water, using a humidifier, or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants. Soil. Use a well-draining, Nepenthes-specific potting mix or create your own using ingredients like sphagnum moss, perlite, and orchid bark. Feeding. While the pitchers will attract and digest some prey, you can supplement with bloodworms or specially formulated carnivorous plant food every few weeks during the growing season. Remember, avoid using tap water, fertilize sparingly, and provide good air circulation to prevent fungal issues. What are common issues with Nepenthes Bloody Mary? Dry pitchers. If the humidity is low, the pitchers may dry out and become ineffective. Ensure adequate humidity levels. Brown leaves. Brown leaves can indicate underwatering, excessive sun exposure, or aging foliage. Adjust watering or light levels as needed. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects can infest Nepenthes. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Early detection and intervention are key to addressing any issues your Nepenthes Bloody Mary might encounter. Where can I buy a Nepenthes Bloody Mary? Nepenthes Bloody Mary is a popular variety and can be found at online carnivorous plant retailers, some garden centers, and specialist carnivorous plant nurseries. Tip. Look for reputable sellers who can provide healthy plants and offer care advice. Conclusion. Is the Nepenthes Bloody Mary right for me? The Nepenthes Bloody Mary is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a captivating and relatively easy-to-care-for carnivorous plant. Its stunning looks, combined with its interesting carnivorous nature, make it a conversation piece that will bring a touch of the exotic to your home. Do your research, provide proper care, and enjoy the unique beauty of the Nepenthes Bloody Mary.